The Peaches singer has no qualms about showing his love for his leading lady in public. The power couple enjoyed a PDA-filled evening one night after sparking pregnancy rumors at the Met Gala. Justin Bieber, 27, and Hailey Baldwin, 24, only have eyes for each other. The power couple had a night of PDA while on the carpet for a screening of his documentary, titled Justin Bieber, Our World, on September 14. The documentary is set to premiere on Amazon Prime Video on October 8 in more than 240 countries, including the US. The star-studded duo hit the red carpet and looked ravishing as ever. Justin kept a casual look and opted for a beige and black hat with a gray turtleneck, sweats, and sunglasses, while his wife stunned in a patterned mini dress that highlighted her long, toned legs. She paired the ensemble, which had a snakeskin-like print, long sleeves, and a turtleneck detail, with strappy black heels. Donning a middle part, the model wore her tresses in a loose waves hairstyle and a light red pout to complete the look. While posing for photos, the lovebirds couldn't keep their hands to themselves and put their affection on full display. At one point, the Peaches singer cradled her face before giving her a few sweet kisses. It was a night filled with love for the duo. Related gallery. Justin Bieber and Hailey Baldwin, pics. The PDA-filled photos come one day after the lovebirds hit the carpet at the Met Gala at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City. The two dressed to the nines while on the carpet at the renowned fashion event. The beauty opted for a simple, yet elegant plunging, strapless black dress, which hugged her slim figure in all the right places. She completed the look with Tiffany & Company jewels, including her icy Tiffany & Company Blue Book diamond necklace. Justin decided to rock a black suit with a white shirt and tie underneath. So chic. The couple has been garnishing a lot of attention as of late, especially since they have sparked pregnancy rumors since their Met Gala appearance. Fans thought that the 27-year-old singer placing his hand on his wife's stomach was a signal that the 24-year-old model was pregnant with her first child. While nothing is confirmed, the couple certainly looked amazing at the annual fashion event. Fans are eager to see the couple welcome a little one, or two, especially after his time with his niece when he recently reported for uncle duty. On August 22, the singer shared a post on Instagram that included several new pics of him holding the baby girl, who is the daughter of his wife Hailey Baldwin's sister Elia Baldwin, 28, and her husband Andrew Orono. Shortly after Justin shared the sweet snapshots, his fans left kind comments. "Love," one follower wrote along with red heart emojis, while another shared, "You will be a cute dad."